from that, much of the day looks pretty good. Rainfall forecast anywhere from, I would say, about a 1/10 of an inch to a 1/4 of an inch looks reasonable, although there will be isolated higher totals of about a 1/2 to an inch, especially as you travel south out of Pittsburgh, because some of the heaviest does look to fall in this region overnight through Saturday morning. 37 overnight tonight, north winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour, so we are in for a chilly one. And then tomorrow, the daytime high up to 48 degrees. We'll have showers lingering around in the morning, clearing thereafter. Winds turn a little bit breezy out of the west-northwest, could gust as high as about 20 miles per hour. 5-day forecast in your weekend always in view. Trends colder for the latter half at 42 on Sunday. Showers moving in the evening on Monday. Temperature goes up to about 49 degrees. Tuesday of next week, 48, still tracking a chance for showers. It looks like timing-wise, early in the morning, and then another wave moving in the evening on Tuesday where we could be seeing rain turn to snow showers. I'm going to show you that American model and that European model we've been talking about and the differences in the timing and precipitation as we head into next week when I see you back here in this next half hour. Kind of a gloomy day once again. I'm going to show you the big picture right now on satellite and radar. Look at this rain back off to the southwest and all the clouds that are coming up. This is from a low pressure system. If you look closely, there's kind of this little pinwheel effect, a counterclockwise spin down here with the rain and the clouds. That's the center of the low. That moves across the south and up through the mid-Atlantic. So these clouds will continue across the day today, and we're going to keep that cloudy sky around tonight and for much of the weekend. Right now, we take a look at visibility because we have had some issues with fog and a little bit of mist out there. 7-mile visibility in Pittsburgh, 5 in Beaver, 6 up in Butler right now. And the temperatures are struggling. They're in the mid-30s and not expected to climb a whole lot later on today, and most likely just getting into the 40s. And tonight we're looking at temperatures down to about 37 degrees, 35 in Butler, 39 in Greensburg. So another cold night is in store, but notice how the temperatures are above freezing. So when that precipitation moves in later tonight, it's going to be in the form of rain. So I'm going to show you when that all moves in, plus still to come if you were hoping for some snow. We do have that in the forecast, so stick around. That's coming up next. We've got mid and high level clouds across the area right now. They're being stubborn and most likely going to stay for a good part of the day. As you look at your visible satellite, low pressure is moving in later on tonight, so that's going to be bringing in rain from the south. So we've got kind of two areas of low pressure, but nonetheless, they're going to be tracking this direction up through the mid-Atlantic states and then bringing us wet weather as soon as about 8 o'clock. For some of our southern counties. So storm tracker at 8:30 p.m. You see those green colors down there in Greene County as well as Fayette County just south of the Uniontown at 8:30. Showers will continue to lift toward the north, and I would have your umbrella here in Pittsburgh between about 9 and 10 o'clock as you see that rain advancing from that direction. Also want to call your attention to some of these yellow and orange colors that you just saw around Morgantown, kind of coming up here through southern Pennsylvania. This is going to be pockets of moderate to heavy rain, so we are going to be seeing that at times overnight tonight. No severe weather is expected, but we're just going to have some widespread steady rain through a good part of the early overnight and mid-overnight hours. This is 1:30 a.m. Pretty consistent rain around Pittsburgh as well as up toward Katanning, and it does become a little more spotty as we head into your Saturday morning. So 7:30 a.m., a few showers around. I would have your umbrella here in Pittsburgh up through 8 o'clock or so, but the whole low pressure system begins to pull away and therefore the rain kind of moving with it. So the rain will clear a lot sooner in places like Beaver and Newcastle and Butler and hang on a little longer out in the ridges for the day on Saturday. But nonetheless, as you see, as the day wears on, the rain clears out and a mostly cloudy sky is expected. On Sunday, you can see at 7:30 a little bit of gray showing up. So that's the model data depicting a few flurries. So we can't entirely rule that out early Sunday, that is, a few sprinkles or flurries, the flurries in the higher elevations, but on Sunday overall, it'll be dry. No heavy precipitation is expected. Here's the rainfall forecast as we look all the way out through Saturday morning. About 1/10 to a 1/4 of an inch across the area, but as you head to the south of Pittsburgh, there will be some isolated higher totals of about 1/2 an inch to 1 inch as some of the heavier rain does look to fall to the south of the city. Temperature-wise, 37 at 8 o'clock. You'll need a coat out the door, 44 at noon, and then 48 at 5 o'clock. We'll look ahead to that European weather model I've been showing you as we head into next week because showers are moving in Monday night into Tuesday, and as you see this animation, showers will once again be moving in late Tuesday evening, and this model does show the potential of it mixing with snow, but it would be late Tuesday night. The American model has been trending drier, but now you can see starting to trend a little bit wetter, just like the European weather model. Really, the timing of the cold air on Tuesday night will let us know for sure as we get a little closer if that rain will change to snow Tuesday night. So stay tuned. We've got that in the forecast, and then snow showers for the following Wednesday. But in the meantime, your weekend always in view. It's going to be a little chillier on Sunday with a high temperature of 42.